100% polyester. Imported. Want to redecorate? Colorful and creative whimsical designs create a fashionably fun kids' bedroom with pretty fairy princesses, castles, crowns, majestic wands, hearts and flowers. 5-piece set includes one comforter, 64 by 86 inches, one flat sheet, 66 by 96 inches, one fitted sheet, 39 by 76 plus 10 pocket, one pillowcase, 20 by 30 inches, one sham, 20 by 26 inches. Versatile prints. Our bed in a bag makes decorating your child's bedroom easy. With one-stop shopping, all pieces are color coordinated and are designed to conveniently complement each other. Durable, soft, a cozy touch for sweet dreams and a good night's sleep. Comfortable 75 GSM microfiber fabric that lasts. Holiday gift idea. Give the gift of a dream bedroom to family, friends, children and grandchildren for birthdays, holidays or special occasions. Top reviews from the United States. Very impressed. I am blown away over the quality of this set. For less than $50 you are getting a very high-quality comforter along with adorable matching sheets, which are very soft. The colors are great too. My 4.5-year-old just loves her mermaid bed.